My name is Robert Bache, Medicare Bob. I own Senior Healthcare Direct, and my agents and I assist people nationwide with their Medicare coverage. In this video, we're going to talk about prescription drug coverage. It is the annual election period, so I'm getting a lot of questions about prescription drug plans and how they work and why does a plan have a deductible but my prescription's being covered right away. So we're going to talk about what I call a tiered deductible, which is what we're seeing with most plans for 2020. So if you just look at the paperwork, you're going to see a lot of prescription drug plans for 2020 have a $435 annual deductible. Well, for those of us that have had deductibles before, we typically understand that we have to pay the whole cost of the prescription before the plan's going to kick in and pay anything. Well, that's not the case with most of the drug plans for 2020. The drug plans that show a $435 deductible, that really only applies in most plans to tier 3, 4, and 5. So if you're taking a tier 1 preferred generic and a tier 2 non-preferred generic, under most plans for 2020, you're going to pay either $0, $1, or up to $4 for those, and you may never reach your deductible if that's all you take. And that's okay because your plan's kicking in before you meet the deductible on most of these plans. So you are getting coverage even though you haven't met your deductible. And this is why I called it a tiered deductible, because the deductible under most plans for 2020 Part D plans only applies to tier 3 preferred brand, tier 4 non-preferred brand, and tier 5, which is the specialty category drugs. So if you don't take any of those tier 3, 4, or 5 prescriptions, then you're probably never going to reach that deductible. And that's okay because the plan's kicking in and giving you the smaller copay, either $0, $1, $2, $3, or $4 for those tier 1 or tier 2 generics. So again, if you have any questions about prescription drug coverage, just leave me a comment below. Please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can join Medicare Bob's Connecting the Dots groups on Facebook or like our Senior Healthcare Direct page. We're almost to 100,000 followers. That's exciting. If you have any questions, just let us know and we'll be happy to help.